Before placing your order, you can easily select a preset percentage like 10%, 50%, or 20%, or enter a custom amount. Tips are calculated on the order subtotal, excluding taxes and fees. If you need to change it after the order is placed, DoorDash allows post-delivery tip adjustments within 14 days of the delivery. Simply go to Your Orders, select the completed order, and choose Add Tip or Adjust Tip if the option is available. Keep in mind that adjustments can't exceed the original order value, and tips cannot be refunded once processed. These changes, made in 2024, are intended to provide transparency and fairness. Be aware of these time limits because a case study in 2024 showed a customer trying to add a tip after the 30-day limit and was unable to. DoorDash tipping is customer-driven and voluntary, but there are some rules to keep in mind. While there are no strict minimums, custom tips are capped at $100 per order to prevent errors. DoorDash doesn't take a cut of the tips. They go directly to the Dasher weekly via direct deposit. Remember, tips are a significant portion of Dasher earnings, often between 10% or more. According to expert opinions, this can comprise between 20 to 40% of total earnings. AI is increasingly being used to recommend tip amounts based on factors like distance or weather, promoting fair compensation. As of late 2025, DoorDash is even exploring blockchain-based tip tracking for increased transparency and faster payouts by 2026. This is a trend towards smart tipping, with personalized suggestions reducing tip fatigue among customers.